This is this is Martha Washington stuff. These are the stuff they had. This is some pictures that they had on the wall. These flowers feel real, but they're not. That's stuff they use for dinner. Decorated with flowers and candles. The candle, these things are real, they're real crystals. More pictures. A mirror. Picture. Let's go.
Tómame foto. Sí, hola.
Hi, Mommy.
Hi, tómame foto.
I'm filming.
Hola. Lo pones
I
en la
say,
cámara.
no, I'm putting it on YouTube, so you have to talk in English.
Ok, a ver, fílmame un lugar espectacular.
Here. You can stay. This way.
A ver, ven para que me filmes.
Wait a second. If you want to read this, you have to come here. So this is Washington. These are some stuff that's narrow. Hi. Okay.
Hola, Alison. Oh, this is my favorite color, blue.
Yep.
You know
I
that.
think, yeah.
Yeah, we're
But-
here in the DC, en la casa
Yeah.
del departamento
This is
de
our
estado.
new house. Okay.
Yeah.
It's not. It's not.
Hola.
It looks like, well,
This is a beautiful place. I love the decoration.
yeah, me
It's
too.
amazing.
I love the little tables, how they
Oh,
make
so
it.
cute. And the two little chairs.
Oh, the cheers.
And the two little chairs. So cute,
I like
right?
them. Yeah.
Yeah, very nice. Two little cute little chairs. Okay.
They're very pretty too. The drawers, they have decoration,
I love the
simple.
I wish one day we
Looks
could have
nice.
a rock like this.
Mhm. They put something under it. I don't know what it is though. It's a nice carpet. Ooh, this is their whole room. The walls are painted blue. But this wasn't their home.
I love that color.
This wasn't their home. They just brought the stuff here after they died. They brought the stuff here so all of us could see it. They really touched it too. That's what I'm curious about. I like the flowers. They feel real, but they're not. They just put something that makes it feel like that. They feel so real. Like dust or something. That's a spoon. Why did they just have one spoon? That's what I'm
It's a
curious
silver
about.
spoon.
I'm curious why there's just one spoon. More stuff.
¿Qué pasa?
These are
Ya
little
nos
jars.
vamos, mamita.
Pero están
Hey,
en el tráfico de vivienda.
I hope you're a girl, okay? I'm just gonna film that side.
Sí,
That's the
eso.
ladies' room.
Vamos a tomar esto.
There's
Mira, mira,
ladies.
mira. Aquí, eso, mira. Espera, tengo que sacar de aquí, ¿ok? Espera, tómame a mí. Aquí. Tómame cerca.
Ah.
Aquí, como este cuadrito que es muy importante. Lo que dice acá cerquita. Para
No,
ver
no,
lo que
pero
dice
estoy
acá.
filmando. Hi, Carmen.
Ay, lo que dice es
How
more
old are
important.
you?
This is
Look, can I
there.
interview you?
Okay, as a diplomatic people sit down in this chair.
Yeah.
It's a beautiful time.
How
Enjoy
old are
and stay
you?
apart.
How old are you? 56? What? 39?
Oh,
How old are you again?
yeah, 39 is good.
No, how old are you?
You tell me. 39
How old
is
are
good.
you? How old are you? ¿Te asustas?
I'm younger.
Okay, I don't know how
Yeah,
to
you sit down in the chair, diplomatic chair, because you use diplomatic
there.
hair. You sit down. Yo he puesto aquí para ver.
And there's a
This
mirror.
room is so beautiful.
This is not our house,
Los
but
estás.
we like it. I like the decoration and stuff.
It's diplomatic.
It's so pretty. And look, this is
Diplomatic.
what we got.
Oh yeah. See,
And
you show you
if you
use.
see the background, it's so pretty.
And everything is
No,
a cute
these are
decoration.
real original. These are original paintings. They are not fake. These are real paintings. Real paintings? That's true. So we're gonna go out. We have to go.
Uy, no, vamos, Alice.
We have to go out. Oh no, I think they left us locked. Oh no. Okay. Emergency exit only. Oh, no, look stuff. Oh no, oh, Gracie. Now we're in the elevator. Say hi, Gracie. Hi.
Y'all want me to come back for you? If not, I'm gone.
In the
Just when I
elevator.
looked back there, I was just fixing to cut the elevator off. And I saw,
Little girl,
yeah, and I thought, wait a minute.
I'm gonna be lagging here.
Oh my goodness, oh my goodness.
Pues se van cerrando. Ahí vio ella. Si no, no
Bye-bye.
se van.
Thank you, bye-bye. Out. More flags. Oh, my American flag. No.